Alright, progress is being made on the bed. Well, took two 4x8 sheets of this particle board, plywood, and this was 1/2 inch. Kept one at the 4 foot length, and just cut it off at 79 inches. We took off 1 inch off the bottom, just to leave a little less overhang on the edge. The other 4x8 sheet split right down the center and just notch the corner so we can walk around, and notch this side so we can walk around. We now have an area for a king size bed. So now what I'm doing, I was just going around with these. These are deck screws, 1 1/4 inch, and I'm just going through and screwing it down so it's not going to move. It's working out really well. What I think I'm going to do next, put duct tape around the edges just to save the splinters from going into our cabs, and put a sheet down, or decide what we're going to put down first, and then we'll get the mattress out. So that'll be the next step. Yeah. So a little non-pro tip. One of the disadvantages I think of using particle board is those edges are just full of splinters. Yes, Danielle had to pull out a splinter yesterday for me. So what I did was I just took duct tape, and I just duct taped around the whole rim of this thing. And I actually did double layer on the edges here where I made the cuts. I just went around the whole thing and put duct tape just to smooth out those splinters. I thought it was a good thing to do. So just a little tip. Tip by Fred. Save your fingers. Use some duct tape. On to the next step. Alright, getting close to the moment we've been waiting for, getting this mattress in the room. This is the 12-inch memory foam, Lucid. The same brand that we've been using for years. I think this is our 4th Lucid. You know, we've got, what, one in the house. We've got my daughter. This one over here is actually a Lucid. Our queen bed, that mattress was a Lucid. And now we've got a 12-inch king Lucid, all off Amazon. We've had excellent luck with these. Very comfortable. Manufacture date was 4/15/21. So let's go to the back. And I've got it all prepped. Let me swing around here. Platform's built as we've been watching. I put down an old sheet. I don't know what this is. An old, I don't know, spread. I guess it's a spread. Thought this would be an excellent time to just use this instead of throwing it away. So we're all prepped, ready to go. Let me roll that box in here, and we'll go from there. Alright. Alright, so Lucid gives you one of these little tools. Things come in handy. Kind of like envelope openers. Alright, so we'll start with this tape here. Unravel the product here. I don't know which way is which. We're going to find out. See what's going on. They wrapped it several times. Yeah. So we'll see what the deal is here. There we go. Don't know which way is up, so we're going to find out. Yep, I hear it gets some air. So this is going to be mattress can be clean. I don't know which side's up. I almost think that's the top right there. Let's see what they got here. Flip it. Let's get this out. Good. Let's see here. Oh my God. I think I gotta flip this thing. That's better. That's better. I believe that's where we need to go right here. Whew. Part of the job for sure. And I believe that's where the mattress goes. Let's see what we got here. That takes up a lot of room. Well, there it is. How thick that is, 12 inches. No doubt. There's my... There you go. There's my hand. That's cool. That'll be nice. So I'm just going to use this this tool. Just going to use this, get the plastic off, and just let it sit. You have to let it sit for, I don't know, a day or two. No big deal, as we are not sleeping in here till the weekend. So we're in good shape. All right. Well, another project in the books. So just to recap, we took out the two end caps, or the two cabinets. Took that out first. Then we put in the AC receptacles, the shallow mount ACs, and put a new platform in, and finally brought in the mattress. Quite a project, but we'll be able to sleep, which is important. And actually, looks like the mattress is still going to be able to fit right underneath that, right underneath the ledge over here, which it comes close to when it slides in. Yep. All right. Well, thanks for watching me on this one if you're still sticking around. We'll see you on the next one.